That's a pretty neat sound, isn't it, babe? I don't know if it's coming out in the video or not, but ice is making that cool noise.